Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are continuing down the series where I share my favorite products from a brand that I love. I know that you love as well. And today we're talking about Glow Recipe. So if that sounds good to you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Hi, my name is Dr. Jenny Liu. I'm a board certified dermatologist and I am obsessed with skincare. And if you're here, I'm sure you are as well. So you come to the right place, and I've done a whole series on various brands where I basically share my favorite products from that particular brand, and I will make sure to link all those videos in the description box below. So if there are ones that you're interested in learning more about or learning about my favorites, I will make sure to put those below. But today we're talking about my top 5 from Glow Recipe. So just a little background about Glow Recipe. It was founded in 2014 by two best friends, Christine Chang and Sarah Lee, and it's really a brand simplifying Korean beauty for the everyday American. And what I love about Glow Recipe is that they promote real skin, in the sense they're advertising what you see on their website, and the PR packages, it's real skin, it's never retouched. And according to a very interesting interview with the founders that I came across reading, Glow Recipe was really inspired by basically because Christine and Sarah would see these menus of services offered in Korean spas or dermatology offices in Korea that kind of give you various treatments like water glow or honey glow. And glowing skin is really the ideal beauty standard in Korea. And so what they really wanted to do is kind of marriage between kind of culturally what is done, but also science backed skincare, and really providing accessible skincare to all, and really honing in kind of their cultural experience as well. I think they shared that they both grew up watching their grandmas rubbing watermelon rind on their skin to treat various skin conditions like heat rashes, and kind of seeing firsthand the healing power that these fruits can have on the skin. And then so I just found that the story is very interesting. I always love reading about stories behind kind of the brand. I really think it makes it personal and really makes me excited about using these products. And I guess that is the story behind their watermelon glow sleeping mask, which apparently is the #1 seller for the brand. It is sold every 3 minutes on Sephora, which is pretty amazing. So yeah, I always enjoy reading these stories, and really that is kind of my experience with using products from Glow Recipe too. I feel like it's really this amazing combination of really immersing myself in that experience, in the yumminess of the product, and that self-care at the same time, knowing that I'm using products that are well formulated using kind of science-backed ingredients that's going to help me address the concerns that I have. Anyway, okay, let's dive into my top 5 products. All right, starting off with product #1, Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. This definitely has been my favorite cleanser, one of my favorite cleansers in 2023. I definitely had a few, but this was definitely on the top 3. I love this one because it lathers gently. It is creamy. It has this nice, yummy, luxurious feel. It cleanses your skin, but yet it adds kind of this hydrating film so your skin doesn't feel dry or tight. Now, it does contain fragrance, so if you're super sensitive or have allergies to fragrance, this may not be ideal, but I found it worked really well for me. I love using it in the morning to kind of gently remove like all the heavy, oily moisturizers or petrolatum that I would use the night before. And I could also use this as a second step of double cleansing. Ingredient wise, it contains ceramides, which we know is a very important lipid to keep our skin barrier healthy. Also contains pre and postbiotic ingredients to really help again rebalance that skin microbiome that is often disrupted with cleansing. Also contains colloidal oatmeal, avocado oil, which are hydrating and nourishing, along with hyaluronic acid. So how you would use it, basically use it once or twice a day depending on your need. Like I said, it's super gentle, so I really use it predominantly in the morning to kind of remove all the heavy stuff that I would wear the night before, to kind of create a clean canvas for the rest of my morning skincare routine. But certainly you can use this twice a day, and if you don't wear a lot of like waterproof makeup, water resistant sunscreen, I do feel like it is sufficient enough kind of to remove the basics of skincare that you would put on in the morning, in the evening time, if you wanted to use this alone in the evening as your only cleanser. But otherwise it would work really well as a second step of double cleansing. Product number 2 is the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This has to be one of the first products I actually have ever shared that I fell in love with. I think I talked about this, God, like 2-3 years back. This is a wonderful vitamin C serum that contains a liposoluble vitamin C that I absolutely love for individuals that have more dry eczema and sensitive skin. It's just really lovely. It doesn't burn, it doesn't stain. This formula hydrates and also brightens at the same time. And for individuals that really can't tolerate the pure vitamin C because it's just really irritating, or the pure vitamin C break them out, I really recommend trying this one. Now, ingredient wise, it contains 5 different forms of vitamin C, including THC ascorbate, which is my favorite for, again, those with eczema, sensitive skin, and dry skin. Also contains other forms of vitamin C derivatives that are great at brightening the skin. We know that when it comes to all these vitamin C's present in this formula, the THC ascorbate is really what has the most number of studies, acting as a stable vitamin C that is a great antioxidant. It helps to support collagen and also at the same time brightens the skin. But also contains other ingredients like ferulic acid and vitamin E that are also antioxidants that work really well with the THC ascorbate, offering like a comprehensive antioxidant benefit. Also contains tranexamic acid, which is a great brightening ingredient. So this serum is not just a great antioxidant serum, but for anyone that is struggling with hyperpigmentation, looking just for one product that can not only offer antioxidant benefits in the morning, but also brightening benefits, this would be a great one. And it's pretty gentle. You can use it even twice a day. And it also contains like guava seed extract. Guava is a fruit that is rich in vitamin C naturally, and then guava seed oil along with hyaluronic acid that really imparts kind of this light, creamy serum texture that is at the same time hydrating and has this beautiful color. So highly recommend, again, for individuals that have like sensitive skin, dry skin, that can't tolerate the traditional vitamin C, or just looking to switch to a more hydrating vitamin C to use in the wintertime. That's what I love and how I really love using this product. Highly recommend checking this one out. Next product is for oily, acne-prone friends, and it's the Strawberry Smooth BHA AHA Salicylic Acid Serum. This is one that really has a combination of wonderful ingredients, and I love when products formulate pretty irritating ingredients together, because you know when they formulate, they often test for like sensitivity and irritation, and it's going to be a lot more effective and less irritating than you trying to layer each product at home. So the ingredients here are really helpful for those that are looking for products to help with pore congestion, acne, post-acne marks, uneven skin texture, and skin tone. So let's talk about the ingredients. Number 1, it contains 10% what they call clarity acid complex. So essentially 2% encapsulated salicylic acid. The encapsulation just makes it more effective but far less irritating. Also contains a blend of mandelic acid, which I also love for those that are more acne prone and oily skin, because mandelic acid kind of is like this in between a glycolic and a salicylic acid, which helps with hyperpigmentation, but also has some oil loving properties. So really great at getting down into your oil glands, kind of like sal acid, and helping to reduce pore congestion and post acne marks. It also contains azelaic acid liposome that again may help to over time improve uneven skin tone, along with succinic acid that may have some antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits. And this is just a really nice serum that you can use. You can use it all over, or to spot treat like target areas. Like I usually like to use it on my T-zone, where I tend to be more oily, break out more, and have more pore congestion once or twice a day. Now, I forgot to mention, this product does have some hydrating ingredients and contains hyaluronic acid as well as allantoin. Even with that said, you know, salicylic acid and mandelic acid, it is still very irritating. I definitely do not recommend, you know, like layering with your topical retinoids, kind of the common things we talked about. You know, I do find that when you are looking for a product that will target your concerns, and if you have multiple, I do love products that formulate ingredients into one, then you try trying to layer yourself at home. For example, instead of you trying to use a salicylic acid serum followed by an azelaic acid serum, etc., this product kind of has it all. That way you can just use one, minus irritation, but still help you achieve your goals and tackle your concerns. But nevertheless, you definitely want to avoid using it, layering it with other irritating ingredients like retinoid. So how I recommend using it would be like once in the morning if you use a topical retinoid, if your skin can tolerate that. If not, then you may want to like alternate at night, as in that skin cycling trend where one night you would use your topical retinoid and the next night you would use this product where you need to target the acne and the pores and the post-acne marks. The next product is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is just such a versatile product. Like you can use it as skincare, you can use it with your makeup, or both. It is a lovely emulsion texture that absorbs really quickly, and I do feel like it's suitable for all skin types, and you can use it in so many different ways, but it has great benefits as well. Number one, it contains watermelon extract. We've already kind of heard the story behind Christine and Sarah sharing kind of what their grandma uses watermelon for, but like in skincare, you know, watermelon at the very least is very hydrating. It's loaded with micronutrients and vitamins and phytonutrients that help to hydrate the skin, plump the skin. It's rich in vitamin A and C, so offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. I also love that this serum contains an effective concentration, but not over the top, like high in niacinamide. I forgot the exact number, but I believe it's like 4% or less. So a good concentration of niacinamide that we know has great antioxidant brightening benefits might help to support collagen, at the same time support the skin barrier. It's also rich in hyaluronic acid. And really how I recommend using it is you can basically use this as your hydrating serum. It does have a really nice kind of shimmer sheen to it, so you can layer this in the morning after your vitamin C. You can use it in the evening as well before your retinol, or what you could do is you can even mix it with your like tinted moisturizer or foundation to give like a healthy sheen to your makeup. And what I actually like to do is in the morning after my base layer of sunscreen, I will then go ahead and take the same sunscreen, and if it's tinted, even better, and then I will add like a drop of this to my tinted sunscreen. So I'm not diluting my first layer of sunscreen, but I'm relayering it, then diluting it, because then this serum gives my sunscreen a little bit of a healthy sheen and shimmer, and then basically I will reapply. Basically this is more like makeup. You know, I'm not relying on this of course as my sun protection, but again layering that to give another subtle glow to my overall look. So that's how I personally love to use it, but literally you can use it in so many different ways, and that is why I really do love this product. It's just so versatile. Forgot to mention you can dabble of this on your eyelid, like almost like eyeshadow for that shimmer, or use it as a highlighter. So a pump of this on your hand, and I like to go in with a beauty blender, kind of just dot areas like my cheekbone, the nose or chin where I want some highlighting, and it will offer again that healthy glow to your overall complexion, but not over the top, heavy or crazy. So yeah, so many different ways of using it. I don't know if there are other ways that I haven't mentioned, but that you really like, please let me know in the comments below. Last but not least is the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore-Tight toner. This is a watery essence or toner that essentially you can use on a fairly regular basis. I do find it to be fairly gentle, that can help in like kind of fitting into that K-beauty space where it has active ingredients that target your concern, but formulated in a more gentle way, so that way it really hydrates your skin while over time helping to improve pore congestion, uneven skin texture, and skin tone. I love the fact that this essence really makes me want to eat it every time, but it's just very hydrating and great for anyone that has like pore congestion, but yet is a little sensitive to the traditional like salicylic acid toners and liquid exfoliants. This would be a great alternative. So ingredient wise, again, it contains watermelon, which is rich in micronutrients, amino acids. It helps to hydrate the skin, helps to plump the skin. Also contains cactus water, again, additional layer of hydration. What I love about this toner is the active ingredients. First and foremost, it contains polyhydroxy acid, which is really one of my favorite exfoliants slash humectants for anyone that have sensitive skin looking for a chemical exfoliant that you can use regularly over time that will help to brighten your skin, improve skin turnover, but it is super gentle that you can really use it on a regular basis. I feel like this is the only exception to the rule where you shouldn't be using an exfoliant every day. I find that most PHAs, because they act more like hydrating ingredients like humectants, but over time it does offer improvements in the dullness, improving dullness. It is something that can be used fairly regularly. As far as the other ingredients, it contains 2 different types of beta hydroxy acid. So salicylic acid along with willow bark, which is more of like a naturally derived salicylic acid that together can really target pore congestion and uneven skin texture. Also, again, contains hyaluronic acid and green tea extract in cucumbers. Again, great antioxidant, soothing, and hydrating ingredients. And so how I recommend using this is basically after cleansing, just pour it onto your palms and pat onto your skin once or twice a day, depending on when you like to use this product. And over time, with consistency in use, you will definitely start to notice improvements. Now, the only thing I have to just kind of warn you is it does leave a little bit of a tackiness on the skin, at least from my personal experience. It is not one that absorbs without any sort of residue. This does leave like more of a tacky hydrating film is how I like to describe it. So if you don't like that finish or that feel, especially in the summertime, I find that tends to bother a lot of people, then this may not be the right toner for you. But otherwise, I really love just how hydrating and the benefits that this toner brings. And pro tip, you can actually use this as a mini mask. So what you could do is soak this, drench it with cotton pads and basically apply it on your skin and leave it on for like 10 minutes and then basically pat everything in. So essentially making your own DIY sheet mask at home that can help to instantly hydrate your skin and over time may offer some temporary pore tightening benefits. All right, guys, so those are my top 5 products from Glow Recipe. I honestly have so many more, but I had to limit myself to 5. Otherwise, this video would be super long. Did any of yours make it on this video today? If not, please let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product from Glow Recipe, and also what other brand you want me to talk about next. I'll make sure to link all the other videos I've done in this series. Definitely check them out in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.